Okay, here's the help guide. Number 1, x to the second minus 49 equals. So you got an a and a c. So a, c, to put them in factored form, you try to do the difference of perfect squares. Okay, x second would be x times x. You got the negative, so it's a positive times a negative. And then 49 is 7 times 7. That's on that list. Okay, that's the answer I'm looking for. Number 2, x to the second minus 144. Okay, again, you got an AC, x to the second, no problem there. Plus, minus, because of the negative. 144 is on that diagonal list. It's 12. 12 times 12, and there you have it. See how fast that goes? Okay, so it's an A and a C. So to factor an AC, you look for the difference of perfect squares. So we got x, we got the positive times the negative. Because of the negative, 25 would be 5 times 5. Okay, number 4, 4x to the second minus 9. And AC again. Well, 4 is not a problem. I can go 2 times 2, x, minus, positive times negative. That has to be a minus for this to work. They all have minuses. And then 3 and 3. Okay, number 5, 64x to the second minus 81. So, that's an A, that's a C. To factor an AC, not solve the equation, but write it into the 2 parentheses. You'd see if you have a difference of perfect squares. So 64 is 8, x to the second. That means I would attach x's on the 8's. The negative 81 would be positive, negative, and 81 is 9 times 9. So that's the answer, 8x plus 9, 8x minus 9. Okay, now the last problem, we run into a little conundrum, but I told you in the video how to fix it. Okay, if you look at that, you will see 80. Yeah, it's not a perfect square, so we need to see if we can find a GCF so I can rewrite it with an AC that are perfect squares. Okay, so 80 and 45. Okay, it's here. Okay, find the first place you see 45 is in 15's row, but 80's not there. Okay, I also see it in 9's row, but 80's not there. Okay. Next place I see it's in the 5th row, 45, and there's 80, so 5 is a GCF. Not 5x though, because you have that C without the x. So divide by 5, and you end up, remember, put that 5 right there. So we end up with 16x to the second minus 9. There's my new A, my new C. A is a perfect square, that's 4, and then x to the second, x times x. Positive, negative, and then 9 would be 3 times 3. Please put that 5 there though in your answer, because when you have to do a GCF you need to include that in the factorization.